Ers 2 blynedd ar hugian bellach, mae NFU Cymru yn gwobrwyo fferm wraig Gymraeg y flwyddyn ac mae'r seremoni yn newydd ddigwydd yma y prynhawn yma. John Davies, Llywydd NFU Cymru. Why is this competition so important?
I think it's really important to highlight the key role that ladies play in agriculture and how they work in partnership. And it's always better when a family works as a team, and Jess is a key driver in their business and really strong competitor.
We'll get to Jess now.
Sorry.
You know, no, that's okay, don't apologise. It'll be your stage soon, Jess. Ond Aled Jones, chi oedd yn beirniadu'r gystadleuaeth yma. Oes ddipyn o ddiddordeb yn y gystadleuaeth o hyd?
Wel, oes cryn dipyn, ond yna rai merchaid, rhy swil i roed eu henwa ymlaen yn anffodus, ond oedden ni wedi cael 6 o rai cry tu hwnt, ac oedd hi'n anodd gwneud y gwahaniaeth rhwngthyn nhw, ond da ni wedi cael enillydd teilwng iawn yn Jess. Dwi'n
siŵr. Mae'r gystadleuaeth yma wedi newid i henw dros y blynyddoedd. Gwraig ffarm y flwyddyn o ddistalwm, ond fferm wraig. Ac yma ffordd y 6 ddoth atoch chi eleni yn fferm wragedd felly?
Amrywiol iawn yn y gystadleuaeth, ond y rhai gwragedd wedi cael profedigaethau yn ei bywyda ac wedi llwyddo i gadw teulu a ffarm yn rhedeg yn gyson ynddo. A dyn nhw'n amrywiaeth yn hynny o beth. Ac oedden ni'n chwilio am sgiliau eraill hefyd, chi sgiliau o ymwneud gyda'r cychoedd yn gyffredinol, gwahodd pobl i'r ffermydd, mae hybu diwydiant a hybu'r busnes hefyd ynddo.
Felly ym mha ffordd oedd Jess fan hyn o ochr Abergyfenni, sut ddoth i'r brig?
Wel, munud oedd chi'n cyrraedd yno, oedd chi'n dweud bod yna rain tu hwnt ar y lle. Pob peth yn dwt yn daclus, pob peth yn gweithio dda, safon yr anifeiliad, mae gen i 900 o eifr. Ac oedd pob peth yn iach, ac o'n i'n gallu gweld oedd hwn y fusnes yn cael ei redeg yn gyson ac yn daclus tu hwnt.
Gorau, ni at Jess rwan. Well, what does this recognition mean to you and your family, Jess?
Oh, a huge amount. And it's great that everyone's starting to recognise the role that women play in agriculture. It's quite often the men that get all the recognition, and it's great that the women are being seen to be doing a great job too.
How do you think about your role then in running the farm?
My main thing I do is raising the young stock on the farm. I think it's something that women do well. They have quite a big attention to detail, and I think that's a key thing when you're raising livestock.
So tell me about your farm. You have 900 goats?
Yeah, 900 goats, milking between 600 and 700 of them, and the rest are young stock coming through.
So, and how long have you been breeding and keeping goats?
Since 2001.
And why did you go in that direction as farmers?
We've got a smallish farm, just over 100 acres, and we thought beef and sheep on that size farm was not going to pay, so there was a local cheese factory in Abergyfenni, and we went to see them, and they were looking for fresh goat's milk. They'd originally been buying curd in from Holland, so we said, right, we'll go into milking your goats. So that's what we did.
And is this your family farm?
No, it's my husband's family farm.
So are you from farming stock yourself?
No, I'm not actually.
Really?
Yeah.
So when did this all change for you then?
Well, I went to Harper Adams Agricultural College and did marketing there. And
so what was your background before then?
Well, my parents had a building company, right. So that was that, and I'm a small holding as well.
Yes,
so.
Yes. Okay, so now you're building a new future for you and your family in Abergyfenni.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy the moment. Will you be celebrating? And the family's here today?
They are here today, yes.
Yes. And all very proud of you, I'm sure. Jess, I don't know your surname.
Yeomans.
Jess Yeomans, fferm wraig y flwyddyn 2018. Many congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Da iawn.